one do I feel I need today? Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so this morning, we're gonna make some migas. I usually love the ingredients, usually love to make it with some peppers, some green peppers, even some red peppers, some onions, things like that. But I checked my fridge and my freezer, and all your girl has is a frozen green pepper and a shit ton of jalapenos. So this is gonna be a spicy greenish miga contraction. All you'll need is some peppers of your choice. I usually use onions, but sweet white onions, but I don't have literally any onions, which is annoying. And I'm honestly too lazy to go to the grocery store. So this is like my miga recipe when you're balling on a budget. But the ingredients that you'll literally need are just some peppers of your choice. I would always recommend using yellow sweet onions, the white ones. That's even the name of them. Some peppers, some green peppers, some red peppers, and if you like a little spice, some jalapenos. And then, of course, you'll need the staples of some corn tortillas and then some eggs. And that's literally it. What's super awesome about this meal is that it's literally all one pan. So literally minimal dishwashing, minimal dishwashing. I hate washing the dishes. So that's literally the best part about this little meal, is that it's all done through one pan. You don't have to use a separate pan to make the eggs and to do this and do that. Cheers. We just cut up all of our things, all of our veggies, our peppers, our jalapenos. What I usually like to do is I like to buy these things in bulk at the grocery store and then just throw them in the freezer for whenever I need them. I cut up the tortillas so that way I literally just go up and down, side to side. Some people only like the square slices. I really don't care. I just want to eat and I'm hungry. And I always put the tortillas first because I like them pretty crispy. And then after that you throw in the peppers so that way they can kind of get a little bit browned and just really, really nice before you throw in the eggs. Eggs are the last thing you throw in. So yeah. Top secret way how I stay fit. Number 5,667. Loves Coke, but I love water just as much-ish. I don't know. Every time I wake up, I literally chug just a bottle of water. It's the best and easiest way to feel rejuvenated, ready for the day. Just try it. Just try it. Tomorrow, whenever you wake up, the first thing you do, before you grab your phone, before you do anything, just literally chug some water. Finish that bottle of water at least before lunchtime. So after you've decided that your migas are the perfect amount of crispy, you know, ours are a little burned.